Hi, I'm Luis. I'm the foreman on this project. We here today in Newport, Oregon. We are on day 3 doing encapsulation. Right now what we're doing is putting the third block in place, and I will explain you as we going. This is where the sump pump is going. All right. Now when we put a clean space on top of it, it's gonna be easy, super easy to know where the sump pump is gonna be, because it's not gonna have this layer anymore. So this is the second pump in this crawl space. So that one I showed you before is in the other corner, in the north side of this crawl space, and this one is in the south side. So since the house is so big, we have to install 2 pumps. All right, this is the second one, and as you see, the guys are finishing up the third block in that space right there. Once those guys done with that, then we're gonna be done with the third block, and then we're gonna jump to that clean space. So now we do the final step, which is a clean space. As you see my guys working on that. After this, we are done.